Hi, it's Steve from SalesStrong. I would like to welcome you to another Sales Essentials video. Today's topic is how to make a strong sales presentation. In my experience, too many salespeople are underprepared for a sales presentation and default to focusing too much on the features and benefits of the product or service that they're selling, or waffling on about all the great attributes of their own business. The golden rules are as follows. Firstly, focus on your customers' challenges and share with them insights into their own business before you talk about how your solution can help them. In fact, I believe that spending 80% of the time talking about your customer's business and then only 20% about your business is crucial. The key to doing this successfully is in understanding your customers' challenges and what they're trying to achieve intimately. Secondly, highlight the potential value you can bring to a customer. This goes beyond talking about features and benefits and focuses on the impact that your solution will potentially have on the customer's business. To do this at a world-class level, you need to collaborate with the customers on understanding what the measurable economic value is that you can bring to their business and helping them to do a return on investment calculation. This will speed up their ability to make a favourable decision. Thirdly, never present to someone whose criteria for making a decision is unknown to you. You will end up potentially presenting elements that are of no interest to the customer. All salespeople have experienced turning up for a sales presentation and finding there are a whole host of mystery guests in the room. Make sure you limit the chance of this happening by finding out in advance who's attending and asking for a conversation with each attendee to understand what they care about so you can position your presentation appropriately. Finally, never present anything you wouldn't be willing to sit through yourself. Most presentations are dull and uninspiring. Keep yours short and to the point. Turn it into a conversation, and if you can, open with a James Bond moment with an interesting vignette before the main presentation is delivered. Don't forget, if you would like any information on this or any other area of sales, please contact me on steve@salesstrong.co.uk.